Now, I've heard everyone for the last 45 minutes. I'll give a point-by-point rebuttal to almost every single argument made before me. Point number one, let's be clear on one thing. The state has no business in ensuring equity of outcomes. One of the objectives of the UGC guidelines was we want to ensure equity and inclusion. The state cannot ensure that. The state can only ensure equity of opportunity, which is why we have reservations. Number two, the question that upper caste cannot be discriminated against, and someone said we do not have the social capital to do that. Bhura Bal Saaf Karo, as you rightly pointed out, is an example of what happens when the upper caste are discriminated against. Muslim Yadav politics that is rampant in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar is an example of how social capital can be put together using the backward caste, and there's nothing wrong about it. Rebuttal number three. Someone said that this is general category versus the rest of the caste, and this is where this entire issue went haywire, one that the Supreme Court also took a notice of. Why aren't we acknowledging the possibility of caste discrimination within the OBC framework, within the SC framework, within the ST framework? The Supreme Court today also asked this question, that what if a person from an SC community is discriminating against a person B also from the SC community? What happens to these guidelines then? Where in the guidelines does it say that the perpetrators only have to be from the general category, not from the SC, ST or OBC category? And yet an entire political agenda was curated that this is the general category versus the rest of the caste, because had this UGC guideline been formalized, this would have resulted in campuses turning into political battlegrounds. And rebuttal number four, that is exactly what the RJD spokesperson in her very honest and candid interview said, that we do not mind having fake cases against the upper caste. This is what is being said about the upper caste in several lobbies today, that oh, they have the money, they have the connections, they can fight their cases.
Priyanka Bharti.
What would have happened is all the university campuses would...
Yes, finish your point, Tushar. Then Priyanka Bharti.
First of all, Padmaja ji, first of all, you used the word lower caste.
No, the final point is...
No, we were lowered. We are not lower.
I said so-called lower caste. So-called SC, ST, OBC.
I did not say lower.
Upward, yes.
I did not say lower. This is absolute nonsense. This lady is lying on national television.
I am talking about the anchor. I'm not talking about you. First of all, she used lower caste.
Absolute liar.
It's not lowered. I'm not telling you, please keep quiet.
Priyanka Bharti, nobody is lower and similarly nobody is upper also.
So
it is general caste versus SC, ST, OBC. I use that word in relation to what is always said, upper caste. There is no upper caste, it is general caste.
Absolutely.
General caste versus
Padmaja,
SC, ST, OBC. That's what it has been framed as.
Secondly, Padmaja, the Supreme Court said we want casteless society. Why is there no diversity in Supreme Court? Even the bench did not have a SC, ST, OBC sitting over there. First of all,
Priyanka Bharti, the second Dalit Chief Justice of India and the first Buddhist Chief Justice of India said that there are people who are now creamy layer within SC, ST, OBC. Even he said that the material conditions of Dalits have changed in the country.
Why not talk about the cream which the social capital provided some of our citizens of India? Why not talk about it?
Ma'am, social capital is a very intangible thing. Whereas your economic status is a tangible thing. It can be measured.
Stop lying.
Economic well-being brings with it privileges. Social capital is an intangible thing. You say you are born a Brahmin, you have social capital. What will I do with that social capital?
That is definitely. You can change your class, but you cannot change your caste.
Padmaja, can I? One rebuttal.
Ma'am, you can eat with money. You can't buy anything with caste.
Okay, Tushar Gupta. It's that simple.
OBC. But thirdly, please apologize.
No, my question, this social capital argument being put forward, Yadavs are one of the backward caste in Bihar. Is Priyanka Bharti telling us that they have no social capital? Why is she making up stuff? Are we going to sit here and pretend that none of the backward castes in this country have any social capital? What about the Yadavs in Bihar? What about the Yadavs in Uttar Pradesh? What about the Yadavs in Bihar? Priyanka Bharti, do the Yadavs in Bihar have social capital or not? Do the Yadavs in Bihar have social capital or not? Do the Yadavs in Bihar have social capital or not? Answer a simple question.
Did you say that? Did you say that? Why did you choose us? Why did you choose our leadership? Bhura Bal Saaf Karo कहा गया? शर्म नहीं आती झूठ बोलते हुए? शर्म नहीं आती झूठ बोलते? कहाँ कहा गया? Proof दिखाओ. हिम्मत है आपको? खाली झूठ
Are you saying ओ भूरा बाल साफ करो कभी हुआ नहीं है?
नेट सेट करो, नेट सेट शर्म नहीं आती,
कभी हुआ ही नहीं भूरा बाल साफ करो।
परेशान करते हुए शर्म नहीं आती।
प्रियंका भारती जी, इलेक्शन हारने के बाद आपके तथ्य कमजोर हो गए हैं। इलेक्शन हारने के बाद आपके तथ्य कमजोर हो गए हैं। क्या भूरा बाल साफ करो बिहार की 90 की सच्चाई नहीं थी?
आपको इस तथ्य से दिक्कत हो रहा है?
शर्म आपको नहीं आती है? हर रोज टीवी पर आके झूठ बोलती है। शर्म आपको नहीं आती है? हर रोज टीवी पर आकर झूठ बोलती है, सवाल का जवाब नहीं देती है, कास्ट पॉलिटिक्स करती है आप।